Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Just playing with Kristen's dinosaur puppet that I finished.
Hey, you know there's actually a magic trick to teleport people closer? Look, let me show you.
What?
Oh man, it didn't work.
Yeah,
But I know what will make you scream. Nothing really much.
Yeah.
What do you think, Rush?
I don't know, it just looks empty.
Can you believe we have 3 days left before school starts?
Yeah.
Jeez, the summer flew by so fast. Wait,
I know.
Rush.
What?
It's hot outside. Do you think the weird birds would be out here?
Oh, yeah. Yep. 100%.
Look at me straight in the eyes.
Okay, what?
Let's just go inside.
Okay.
Oh, man. So what do you think we should do about the weird bird situation?
I don't know. Well, the more we probably go out there, the more weird birds will probably come. Wait, no, that sounds like a stupid idea. I don't care. Let's go do it.
Wait, what was the plan again? Wait. What a beautiful day. Wait, Rush. Where's Rush? What? Oh, thank goodness.
Let's go down.
Should we check on the door?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Stop.
Strange.
I think we should just leave it for now.
Yeah.
I don't know what this thing should be. I think it's just part of the hole.
What the?
I threw that.
Oh, okay.
Imagine it was a true Dante.
Can't really see many things. Rush? What was that?
That can't be. That has to be a true Dante.
Run! Should we end the video?
No, it haven't even barely recorded.
I'm not trying to break the fourth wall or anything, but we've been recording for 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay. End it now!
Yeah.